If you're looking for a tasty and nutritious snack, you're in the right place. But before we jump into the benefits, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So, first things first, what exactly are roasted chickpeas? Well, roasted chickpeas are a delicious and crunchy snack made from, you guessed it, chickpeas. They're incredibly easy to make at home, and you can also find them in stores in various flavors. The process involves roasting chickpeas until they become crispy, creating a savory, satisfying snack that's not just yummy but also packed with nutrients. Now, let's talk about the nutritional powerhouse that roasted chickpeas are. They're a fantastic source of several essential nutrients. Roasted chickpeas are protein-rich, making them an excellent choice for vegans and vegetarians. They're high in dietary fiber, which can aid in digestion and help you feel fuller for longer. Chickpeas are loaded with important minerals like magnesium, potassium, and iron, which are vital for various bodily functions. They're also a good source of vitamins, particularly B vitamins like folate, which is crucial for cell division and overall health. Now that we've covered the nutritional profile, let's delve into the specific health benefits of roasted chickpeas. Number 1. Weight management. Roasted chickpeas are a satiating snack due to their high protein and fiber content. Protein helps control appetite by promoting the feeling of fullness, while fiber adds bulk to your meals, reducing the urge to overeat. They are a low-calorie density snack, meaning you can consume a satisfying portion without consuming too many calories, which can aid in calorie control during weight management. Number 2. Heart health. The soluble fiber in chickpeas helps reduce levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, by binding to cholesterol particles and removing them from the body. Chickpeas are a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium, potentially reducing the risk of hypertension and related cardiovascular issues. Number 3. Digestive health. The fiber in roasted chickpeas supports regular bowel movements, preventing constipation and maintaining digestive health. A healthy gut microbiome is essential for digestion and overall well-being. Fiber-rich foods like chickpeas can act as prebiotics, promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Number 4. Blood sugar control. Roasted chickpeas have a low glycemic index, meaning they cause a slower, more gradual increase in blood sugar levels. This can help prevent sharp spikes and crashes in blood sugar, making them suitable for people with diabetes or those looking to manage their blood sugar. Number 5. Nutrient boost. Chickpeas are a source of essential vitamins like folate, which is crucial for cell division and overall health, as well as minerals like magnesium, which plays a role in various enzymatic reactions in the body. For vegetarians and vegans, roasted chickpeas can provide a plant-based source of protein, iron, and other nutrients that may sometimes be lacking in meatless diets. Number 6. Potential benefits for sexual health. Now, let's talk about a potential sixth benefit of roasted chickpeas that might catch your interest: their role in sexual health. While there's no magical food that guarantees enhanced sexual performance, the nutritional components of chickpeas can contribute to overall sexual well-being. Chickpeas contain an amino acid called arginine. Arginine is a precursor to nitric oxide, a compound that helps relax blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body, including to the genital area. Improved blood flow can potentially enhance sexual responsiveness and performance. There you have it, folks. Roasted chickpeas are not only a mouth-watering snack but also a fantastic addition to your diet for their numerous health benefits. So, next time you're looking for a satisfying and nutritious snack, give roasted chickpeas a try. If you found this video informative and enjoyed learning about the benefits of roasted chickpeas, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, if you have any questions or want to share your favorite roasted chickpea recipe, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep snacking smart.